Hey guys, it's Earl Dixon, the Bitcoin Man. Tonight, I want to share a presentation with you. It's called The Learning Tree. And some people say, what is the learning tree? So brought to you by Earl Dixon, this presentation where the guy's breaking it down. The Learning Tree Membership Club is a community of like-minded people who have come together for the benefit of education, supporting other businesses, learning about money, how to leverage and hedge money, and provide monetary contributions to their members. Learn how to make money on your laptop or your phone. What is Learning Tree? Here you learn about group economics and financial technology. Financial technology is the use of technology like your phone, like PayPal, Cash Out. PayPal made $17.1 billion on us last year because we are sending and receiving money, but nobody's benefiting from that. We have our own system that will allow you to send and receive money, but the money comes directly to you. That's financial technology. Cash App made $1.1 billion on those last year, sending money to from each other just to pay our bills. What if you had a system like Learning Tree that allowed you to be able to leverage and hedge your money and bring the money, 100% of the money, back to the hands of the people? Back to the hands of the people. And I encourage you, do not send money using Cash App or PayPal. Do not do it. There are other ways to send money. To call me the Bitcoin Man. There are ways to send money. Get yourself a Wise account. Go set up a Wise account. Got $1,100 sent to me in Wise. Got $100 a day using Wise, using another program. Okay, now let me go over to the presentation and share the presentation with you and get back with me. Call me. Say, Earl, I want to be a part of this community. Guys, inflation. The real numbers have not been released yet. Gas prices going through the roof and it's killing you. Everything is going up, but what happens when you join a community? You leverage a one-time payment. You go through the system, you make thousands of dollars over and over again. Okay? If you take action, do you bring your two people and it's over? Okay, we are not gonna give any income claims or disclosures here. Look at the presentation. You decide. The system work. The question is, will you work the system using group economics? Not a new thing. It's been around for hundreds of years. Many communities recycle money through their communities using systems like this every single day. Now it's your time. Let's do this, guys. Okay, guys, here it is. Earl Dixon, the Bitcoin Man, bringing you the presentation. Giovanni Way explains this, and you can call me for more questions or answers. Call me at 919-530-8022. Let's go to the presentation. Membership has its privileges. Let's go.
But imagine learning more or being able to get involved with a brand new opportunity in the area of cryptocurrency. We have health products, credit restoration. That means helping you to save because your credit is rising and allows you to save on interest as well as the ability to get even more credit. We also have the ability for you to receive on just 3 donations and you can become your own bank. How many of you know friends, families, young people, couples, single moms, and others who are struggling to get a loan from a bank, but imagine becoming a part of this group and beginning to receive up to $9,600 and more, which we'll be talking about later in this presentation. So with all that excitement in the air, your question may be, how do I join? Well, it's easy. You simply submit a $50 membership. That's $50 for the membership. A $100 advertisement fee, and invite 2 like-minded individuals. It's just that simple. It's just that easy. Membership costs of $50, $100 for advertisement fee, and 2 like-minded individuals. Now, when I think of that $100 for advertisement, again, we have over 300 people here already. We're considering 500, 1,000, multiples of thousands, and ladies and gentlemen, they have the ability to see whatever it is that you're bringing, and it's costing you just $100. So what else is included in this awesome membership? Well, again, you're going to receive your very own back office, your personal website and landing page, a digital business card, digital advertisement, educational library, and much, much more, all for the membership that we spoke of earlier. And ladies and gentlemen, that's just the beginning because we have a 2x3 matrix. As you can see, 2 people on level 1, only 4 on level 2, and 8 people on level 3. That's all it takes to help you to get from where you are to where you want to be financially and help others to do the same. Now watch carefully how this 2x3 matrix works. Remember, it's two people required to qualify you while peer-to-peer donation. We first
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the Real
$200 in your
Vision Daily
pocket.
Briefing.
That's twice as
I'm
much
Andreas
as what you rewind. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we start with the bronze level. The first cycle is $200 in pocket. $400 goes to the second silver level, $100 on the re-entry level, and that allows you to receive $700 over and over again and again. And with the silver of $400, it allows you to put $800 in your pocket. The challenge here is people are still coming in, and the ability to try to admit them is causing me to block the slide. So I apologize, everyone. We just can't have people coming in all day. Okay. So with your silver $400 level, remember in your very first cycle, you're receiving $800 in pocket, twice as much as what you brought in, and $1,600 goes to the next level with $400 re-entry on that level. What happens on your second? Your second, through every cycle thereafter, allows you to earn $2,800 repeatedly. And with the $1,600 gold level, you're receiving $9,600 in your pocket, plus a $1,600 re-entry, allowing you to receive for every additional cycle thereafter, $9,600. That's over and over again. Again, repeating myself, please note, imagine what can happen for you, your family, your friends, your loved ones when you're receiving $700, $2,800, as well as $9,600 over again, because you all invited others to join with you here at this awesome opportunity. Now, again, the ways to send your peer-to-peer donations as well as to receive them is through Chime, Zelle, One United Bank, Cash App, Bitcoin, Venmo, as well as PayPal.
Guys, I don't recommend you using or sending Cash App or PayPal to anyone. They will freeze your account. They will freeze your account. It's happened to me over and over again. So discount. Let's delete Cash App. Let's delete PayPal. You can use Venmo, Chime, Zelle. There's also, you can set up a Wise account. You come to my Zoom. I'll show you how to set up a Wise account to send and receive your money. It works very, very, very well. Okay, or we can send crypto. So get with me. I'll teach you that. Okay, let me go back to the presentation.
So with that in mind, if you have any questions, there we have our frequently asked questions is found on our website, as well as learningtree.club. And of course, you want to get back with the person that invited you to this presentation. Thank you so much. Jerry, with that in mind, you can go right ahead and add your additional comments.
Guys, yeah, you on a roll, doing awesome. Well, guys, as I had said before, most of us need money. And guys, we need it sooner rather than later. I mean, Gio shared with you, the prices of everything going up and why we need it. So the learning tree is really the fastest way that I know of how to acquire that. However, it does not fall out of the sky, guys. You know that. So you have to remember this. You must participate in your own rescue. So for those who decide to join our membership club, here are a few action steps so you don't waste time, okay? Sign up 2 members in our club in your first 48 hours. Become a student of your business and treat it as if you invested $150,000 instead of $150. Stay plugged into the training calls as well as the presentations. Yes, this is definitely automated, but you need to log in and watch your boards several times a day which will take less than 5 minutes. Just look in there, see what's happening and what you're going to make happen. Get a notebook and write down your ID number. Remember, the pen and paper does not forget. You also want to write down your password. And if I were you, I would do the same for my 2 or more members. Now, as soon as you become a member, you want to go in and edit your profile because, guys, I'm telling you, I'm not going to let the cat out the bag. But something is going to be happening in the next 2 or 3 weeks where there's going to be an avalanche of people. So you don't want to miss any pay, any donations. So you want to be sure to go in there and edit your profile and put how you want your donations to come. Also, you want to make sure to post your advertisement of whatever business you want to promote here. We don't care. It doesn't matter what you're doing. There are many, many opportunities out here that people are involved in. Post it here, okay? Advertise here. Stay in communication with people on your team. Write down your why and your goals for the money you're going to receive. Now, those donations should be placed, I say, on the refrigerator because you go in there several times a day. So I would put $700, $2800, $9600. And so you can look at that every time you go in, and that's your goal over and over. So I would urge you to become an overcomer. And what do I mean? Just like all of us, you've lost money in the flowers. I know we have people that are on here that are guests and say, oh yeah, but I lost money in the flowers. So have we. You lost money in gifting programs. We've been in gifting before. We lost money. This is not gifting, but we lost money in it. You lost money in high yield programs. Okay, so have we. Well, guys, if you're on this presentation, you know what that means? It means you have not given up. So I want you to tell yourself daily, I can do this. But as you say it, I want you to pick up the phone and share the good news with your friends and family. So once again, we thank you for joining us tonight. And we will be back again on Monday. Is that correct? Even though I know it's the 4th. Jill, will we be back on Monday?
We will be back on Monday, Jerry, and if necessary, we may have a surprise meeting perhaps on Friday or Saturday, even though it's the weekend. You know, we're going to watch with the participation, and we're going to be here to help everyone to continue to get involved. So that's something we can discuss, and we'll be getting back with Cookie as well as most of our leaders.
We got Earl Bitcoin Man here. As you saw, this is a great platform for you to get your new start in a growing economy. We're going into a recession/depression, and you have a system that will allow you to leverage and inherit money and make that kind of money over and over again. So call me. I will share this presentation with you. You can share it 24/7 around the clock. We don't have to wait to the next Zoom. This is the Zoom. This is the live meeting. It's right here. Okay, and I can put it in your hands. Just simply go over and call me now at this number. Hold on. This is the information where you can reach me, right? Right? You can reach me at 919-530-8022. Learn how to make money on your laptop or your phone, right? Learn about group economics and financial technology. The Learning Tree is a membership club. It is a community of like-minded people who have come together for the benefit of education, supporting other businesses, and providing monetary contributions to its members through education and duplication and financial technology. If you are paying your bills out of your pocket as opposed to paying them using your phone, you are way behind. So get back with me very soon and let me show you how to get signed up. Bring your 2 friends and let's knock this one out the park. Okay? Thank you. Have a very lovely day.